Hey, what's up, Coin Fam? Work has been crazy busy this week, and I have a family event out of town this weekend, so I wanted to put together a quick video about 3 very valuable Morgan dollars. Let's get right into it. Here's our first coin. This is a near-perfect 1882 proof Morgan dollar. You gotta love the turquoise and purple toning along the outer edge of the obverse of this coin. Because this is a proof coin, it was minted specifically for collectors and was never in circulation. This is one of the best minted proof coins of all Morgan dollars. There are virtually no marks or signs of wear on this dollar coin. It was submitted to PCGS for grading and came back a proof 68 on a scale from 1 to 70. This expensive dollar coin sold at auction for over $40,000. There are plenty of marks and some signs of wear on this Carson City minted Morgan dollar, but it's still sold for a ton of money. This Morgan dollar was minted in 1879. And it's a rare variety called a capped die. This isn't the well-known capped die coin error we've talked about before. A capped die related to a Morgan dollar refers to the capped C's of the mint mark on the reverse of the coin. This dollar coin was graded Mint State 64 by PCGS, and it was also given the DMPL certification. DMPL stands for Deep Mirror Proof-like, which means the coin has a clear reflection in the fields of the coin on both sides of the portrait from at least 6 inches away. This 1879 capped die DMPL Morgan dollar sold at Heritage Auctions for over $63,000. This is the rarest business strike Morgan dollar. According to PCGS, only 1 pair of coin dies was used for every one of the 100,000 1893 San Francisco minted silver dollars. Recent records indicate that the mintage may have been as low as only 77,000 coins. This coin is so rare and valuable, there are a lot of counterfeits out there. Counterfeits have been made by adding an S mint mark to an 1893 dollar or by altering the 8 on an 1898 S Morgan dollar to look like a 3. So if you come across one of these, you want to pay close attention to the date and the S mint mark. This one was verified and graded by PCGS. It came back a Mint State 65. This dollar coin is extremely valuable because of the population, and this is one of only 10 of this year and mint mark that exist in Mint State 65 or higher. That's why someone paid $300,000 for this beautiful dollar coin. Hit that subscribe button for more Morgan dollar videos coming soon. Thanks for watching.